First, first. So, hello, my friend. My name is Ayush, and
My name is Mohit.
today we are going to conduct a debate on child labor is good or bad. According to me, it is good, and according to Mohit,
It's bad. I know
so,
that. I know that you also don't like it. So comment it.
so let's continue our debate.
Yes. So according to my point of view, that child labor is not good because according to our fourth or third fundamental rights, it is a ban in our. It's a ban in our India because as you know they're under 14. If any under 14 years children is doing the work, so according to me it's called in a child abuse. For example, that it's a problem or they show the ageism towards the child or they are taking the benefits of the child. For example, that one person who belongs to poor family and he want to fulfill his or her stomach, so people take the benefits of that. They said that take this come on home, they hire it or hire his or her in the terms of few monies. For example, they are giving only 200 rupees, 100 rupees, they are taking negative benefits of them.
So, most of the labors, if we will observe most of the labors, which we can see the focus, the determination of the work. They are focused on their work, the particular work which they are doing, and they don't betray their owner. So, if we are going to convey that yes, child leaders should be applied on our India, so what will happen? The children will also get the feeling of empathy, focus, and they will also get additional benefits because the adults, people who are working as a laborers, have so many good possibility, good personality types of thing. So because of them, the experience will help the children to grow bigger adult and help their focus in the academics also and in the sports.
And according to my opinion, that for their benefits, people say they use the way of the human trafficking. They sell the girls and they harass the childs to get some money because of their greediness. So according to me, it's a bad thing that there is no. And as you know that if we give the childrens a bad environment, so they go in the bad environment also. So for example, that if you will be hired by the someone, so he will be smoke or he has addiction, take drugs, any type of drug. So it's obviously that you will be also going negative way or a wrong way.
So now you have touched the point of environment, but the environment of a labor is so good that they have the ability to focus on their work and etc. things which I have already mentioned. And if a child is doing these types of things, so in the future he will be a very good and strong man because he have some physical abilities, mental abilities, and on the other hand focus also, which will also help in academic. I have already said this. And about the environment, there are so many good environments. For example, the laborers learn English while being with their owners only, hence the children can also learn English at the small age. We are studying in this institute.
For example, that now you are learning English and now you are living in a good environment, you can say that full of happiness environment, but suddenly because of the some problems that you have to need to go or use the way of the child labor, so would you prefer? Obviously yes, because it's your problem. So what will be happen that you are physically is not able to, you are not able to doing this type of works or physically or mentally also. For example, that one person gives the labor work to you and you are trying to carry more and more weight, so because of that your nerves got burst or other things will be burst.
So, do you think the owner give the amount of the huge amount of work to a individual labor? No, a kid cannot.
Definitely no, because as you know, there is a one leader of the we call a mystery, that because of his or her benefits, they can say that you should do more work. So after that, I will be give you more money. And person also does that because of the some money. It's a problem of our greediness of the persons. Human psychology or human nature said that you should choose the way of benefits only.
But most of the people show empathy on the children, and it is true. We also show the empathy on the children
So you said as empathy. So why they are doing the work for the money?
because they want the money. because of their needs.